Okay, now they're trotting back this way. Prince has got lots more steady eddy. Like a lot of horses, he enjoys trail riding. It's relaxing. And there he goes.
Just me taking Stud out.
Yeah. It's nice.
There's people in the woods. They're like Indians. That was our first post.
Yeah, he looked good. Look,
Yeah,
yeah, really stepped out nicely. Yeah.
Yeah, he's like, he loves this. He's like, yeah, we should do this.
Oop.